Hey you guys, I hope y'all are doing very good out there in old YouTube world. So we got the little trials bike today, so we're gonna go down into the river there and see how much water's flowing and have a little fun on the two-stroke, so stick around. Definitely dark in here. This is going to be a great test for the GoPro. Like very dark. Oh, they like jungle dark. One of my favorite sections. It's this log used to be kind of rotted and fell away there. I think someone was in here with a saw, but it used to be laying along here and you had to go way up and around it. I'll put a link to some cards and a video I did on my KTM 300 through here, and it was actually a pretty cool spot. The video came out awesome. Wow, so that is an epic little trail, and that is one raging river. So we'll go get a closer look. Oh, that's refreshing. You can see the sun's starting to come around now, so I imagine the picture is going to be way better on the way back. You can see it starting to poke through. I even put earplugs in. I spent the day here once with one of my buddies, you know, chilling in the water, and I didn't realize how loud it was. My ears were ringing for a week. This tree is ginormous. You guys saw it in person. I know on these GoPros and cameras it doesn't look very big, but it's very big. And there's another one beside it that's like huge, humongous. Such a cool trail. Woo! So I haven't addressed the sound yet on the GoPro, you guys, but I love the camera itself. I like the fact that you can control it by voice. There's lots of situations where you just set your shot up and then tell it to start recording. And then there's instances like that where I just told it, you know what, and it stopped. So yeah, you guys, trials bikes are a big win. So much fun. Right on. Check this out, you guys. This is actually very cool. I like the round obstacles, like the rocks, the formations that are very round, and you know, like for beginners or novice like me, that's, you know, it's easier to do those to get the idea of how the trials bike works. But there's big ones everywhere in here. Big round little spots to hop off. There's a huge log ride. That's awesome. Looking forward to this spot. So yeah, you guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm a little sketched out right now, to be honest. There was a great big bear. My truck's parked just over there, and a big bear walked right in front of my truck while I was having lunch. And of course, the only thing I forgot today is my bear spray, because when I'm on the trials bike, I always like to travel really light, so I never thought to bring that. But anyways, we'll be all right. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit the red button and hit the bell icon beside it, you guys. That really helps the channel out. And Drop some comments, thumbs up never hurts, and I will see you guys on the very next video. Let me know if you guys got trials bikes too, and if you enjoy this kind of stuff. Right on. Right.